The problem is you have to do an oil change, and even on a beautiful M5 competition like this one, it can be messy, frustrating, and time consuming. The solution is the AGA Oil Splash Shields. We have come up with a wide range of oil splash shields that addresses this issue, makes it faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Now, most BMW dealers already know about this due to the service bulletin that has come out on the subject. It covers a wide range of all the different applications that we have, and there's also a set of instructions. These are listed on the AGA Tools webpage under our oil splash shields. Take a look under here. On the oil drain side, we have a large 18mm oil drain plug that as soon as you take that out, oil splashes out onto this under panel. And on the oil filter side, you have a wiring harness running right here, which carries oil back and oil in the forward direction, plus a large volume of oil comes out that really ends up on the top of this chassis stiffening plate. Now, this chassis stiffening plate is held in with 16 one-time use fasteners and is really time consuming to take off. In addition to that, it's 2 layered, so sometimes the oil gets in between the layers and it's hard to clean up. So the object here is to avoid this mess altogether. Let me show you how. On the oil drain side, we have this oil splash shield. It's designed to work with the new style belly pan and the old style belly pan. It can be adjusted up and down in height by turning the knob. Now, you insert the splash shield in and turn it. That locks it into position. Now you turn the inner part up. It has a rubber gasket that connects against the oil pan and prevents any oil from splashing out to the sides. Now for the oil filter side, we have this shield that goes right around and prevents any oil from splashing out. Since it's so tight inside the car, let me show you outside what's going on. Here we have an oil pan and a chassis stiffening plate that has been sectioned so you can see what's going on underneath. Here's the oil pan, here's the chassis plate, and what happens is we insert a oil splash shield up and around the oil filter housing, and as what you can see, it completely goes up and covers the oil pan itself so no oil can leak out to the sides when the oil filter is removed. Let me show you how that works in the car. The way you index a tool is the handle must point straight to the passenger side. That is the same for the N63 and N63 TU version. When you insert the tool on this N63 TU, it has a hook that you put up onto the chassis stiffening plate. This keeps the oil splash shield in place. Now we'll be using the regular oil filter wrench and a ratchet. Just stick it up inside and start taking the filter off. You don't have to worry about any of the oil that would normally splash all the way out to the sides, coming down and going all over the belly pan. As you can see, it's quite messy and you get a lot of oil coming down. The key is none of the oil comes out whatsoever on the belly pan, but only straight down. Using the oil splash seal saves a lot of time and aggravation, and not to mention it will not drip in the customer's driveway or garage when they get the car home. So if you want to save time, money, and aggravation, we have a wide range of oil splash shields, and not to mention keep your customers happy because there's no dripping in the driveway or epoxy coated garage floor on super nice cars like this. We have the series for the V8s, and the universal oil splash seal works on vehicles all the way back to a E34 chassis car way back in the day. These guys right here are for the 3 and 4 cylinder engines on the market. And last we have the B4X threaded oil filter spill tool that is part of our series. For more information and to get your oil splash shields, go to agatools.com. As always, thanks for watching and please subscribe.